Where is my soul? Rose listened carefully to her grandmother as she told the story. The soul of each one of us is a restless little bug. It is always looking to be happy and be happier. Do you notice that desire to smile, have a good time, and be happy is the thing that your soul is always looking? But of course, some souls have no feet. They need someone to take them from one place to another in order to search. And that is why they lie inside a little body, like yours and mine. And they never run away? Asked Rose. Of course I do, her grandmother said. Souls have been inside the body for a very short time when they realize that the best place is to be in heaven. Susan, we are very little. Our souls are only trying avoid going to heaven and finding a way to be there. And how do they go to heaven? Flying? Well, of course, said her grandmother happily. That's why they have to change transport. And as soon as they see a nearby star, they take a big jump and leave their body lying. Dumbbell, and is it not moving anymore? Asked little Rose. Not a bit. Here we say that it has died, and it hurt us because it is our souls that give life to the bodies and make us love people. Many souls take a long time to find her. Look what an old woman I am. My soul has been searching for its star for many, many years, and I have not had any luck yet. And I have a soul looking for my star? Yes, Rose, you are your soul. In the day you find your star, you will forget about us and go to heaven. And then Rose will leave her grandmother alone and she will go off happily to look for a little star near the river. Because in the whole middle there was no better place to hide. That's why the day her grandmother left him, little Rose didn't cry. It hurt her not to see her grandmother again or hear her stories. But she was glad that at last her grandmother's soul had been looking to find her star after so long. And she smiled in the thought that she found her while she was walking by the river, where so many times she had been looking for hers. Thank you so much.